Abracon ultra-wideband chip antennas enable fast and reliable data transmission with reduced power consumption for IoT, machine-to-machine, secure car access, item tracking, indoor navigation, and other connected applications. Abracon ultra-wideband chip antennas are available with bandwidths of 500, 2000, and 4000 MHz, providing efficient radiation for lower power consumption and longer battery life in applications from 3.3 to 8.2 GHz. These antennas have compact footprints with a profile as low as 1 mm and a minimal clearance area for use in space-constrained designs. The 50 ohm input impedance allows for easy implementation with a pi-type matching network. Abracon ultra-wideband chip antennas are omnidirectional and linearly polarized with a VSWR that matches a multitude of applications. These antennas also operate across a wide temperature range from -40 to +105 degrees Celsius. Abracon ultra-wideband antennas are in stock now. Visit an Abracon authorized distributor to learn more.